Hello, this is question 9A of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. It's a matrix question and it says given that A equals this and B equals this, evaluate 1, 3A minus 2B. So to evaluate this, it will be 3 into 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 0, and minus, we have 2, so we have 4, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1, 1, 0 minus 2, and 2. Now, we're going to use this 3 to multiply every element of this matrix. So that will now give us 3 multiplied by 3, that's 9, 3 multiplied by 2, 6, 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3, 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 3 multiplied by 0, 0, 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6, 3 multiplied by minus 2, minus 6, and 3 multiplied by 0, that's 0. So minus 2 multiplied by 4, that gives us 8, 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4, 2 multiplied by 3, minus 3, that's minus 6, 2 multiplied by 3, that's 6, 2 multiplied by minus 1, that's minus 2, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 2 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 multiplied by minus 2, that's minus 4, and 2 multiplied by 2, that's 4. So we're not going to subtract this from this. So 9 minus 8, that's 1, 6 minus 4, that's 2, and 6, 3 minus 3 minus 6, that is 3. So 3 minus 6, that's minus 3. 0 minus 2, that's 2. 3 minus 2, that's 1. 6 minus 0, 6 minus 6 minus 4, that's minus 2. 0 minus 4, that's minus 4. So this is 3A minus 2B. So the next question is for us to find the determinant of 3A minus 2B. And let me rub this off so I can have space to work with. Remember, this is what we are still working with. So 2, and that is 3A minus 2B. That means the determinant. And define the determinant. So that is 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 1, 6, minus 2, minus 4. So let me write this up. So the determinants now become, we're going to take this multiply. So we are eliminating this and this. So what we have left is this. So that is 1, that is 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4. So minus 2, we take this. So we do the same thing. We eliminate this and this. So we have minus 3, 1, 6, minus 4. Plus the last element here, that is 3. So we have minus 3, 2, 6, minus 2. So that will now become 1. So we multiply the major diagonal and we subtract the minor diagonal from it. 2 multiplied by minus 3, that gives us minus 8, minus 2, minus 2 multiplied by 1, that's minus 2. Minus 2 into bracket, minus 3 multiplied by minus 4, that is 12, minus 6 multiplied by 1, that's 6, plus 3 into minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, that's 6, minus 6 multiplied by 2, that's 12. So this gives us 8 plus 2 minus 8 plus 2 minus 2 into 12 multiplied by 6, 12 minus 6, that's 6, plus 3 into 6 minus, that's minus 6 as well. So this gives us minus 6 plus minus 12, and this is minus 18. So minus 6 plus minus 12, minus 6 minus 12 minus 18, and that gives us minus 36. So that is the determinant of 3a minus 2b. That's the solution to question 9a of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. For other solutions within the series, please check my channel. They are very much available. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel, and then for whatever question you have, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Thank you very much, and be good.